हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द कबीर सिंह प्लेटफॉर्म। आज हम बात करेंगे ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्लेटफॉर्म को कैसे यूज करते हैं और हाउ वी डू पेपर ट्रेडिंग इन ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्लेटफॉर्म। In this video, I will tell you how to open an account in TradingView platform and what are the main features which you can use to make your analysis better. And last, I'll be also telling you how to do paper trading in TradingView platform, as it is very difficult for the new traders to learn stock market without losing money. And if they do paper trading, this learning can come without losing any real money. Instead, they can use virtual money which is given by TradingView platform to practice and harness their skills, with which the learning will be almost equal to real trading, but in case of loss you won't be losing any real money. So this is what the main aim of this tutorial video is, to tell you how to use paper trading feature of TradingView platform. Now let's go directly to the website of TradingView platform. Now let's go to TradingView platform, where we will be talking few important points. So here is the TradingView platform. You have to click on this part. Now this website will open on your screen. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this option, join for free. Once you click on that, there will be this screen opening up in front of you. Now what you have to do is you have to enter your credential here. You can either give a username, email address and a password, whichever you want, or you can directly click on Google or Facebook to sign up immediately. I'll be using my Google account, but you can use any of this option to register in TradingView platform. Once you click on Google option, there will be a window opening where you have to choose your account through which you have to register. I will be registering here with my account, and you can also do the same. Once you click on your account, it will redirect you to the TradingView platform again, and you'll get an option to choose a photo which you can choose according to you, but I will not be choosing here. But you can choose it as your wish. So let's proceed to the next step now. After clicking on continue, you have to give a unique username. So let us give something which nobody would have given. Now we have entered our credentials. Let's see what happens now. So once you have entered the credentials and signed up with TradingView platform, you'll get this on your computer. Here I would like to say an important point, that is TradingView platform in India does not support in your smartphone. It can only be opened in your PC or laptops. Hope people who are watching this must be aware of this fact. Let's now see how to use it. Once we have logged in, we will get our username flashing here, and on the right we have our watch list. This is the alert option which we get in TradingView platform, which I will be telling in the later part, and these are the few other features which you can use while using TradingView platform. So let's move directly to the charts. We'll be taking example of Nifty here. Once you click on any of the stock which will be flashed in your default watch list, you can click on any of it, and then this screen will open up on your system, and then you have to click on this option, which is full featured chart, where a technical chart will open, and let us now click on this. Once this Bank Nifty technical chart will open, now what you have to do is you have to close your watch list by clicking on the watch list option. Now I will tell you about few important features which TradingView platform gives you, is that you can add all the indicators clicking on this F option here, and you will see lot of inbuilt indicators which TradingView platforms offer you. In this, whichever option you want or whichever indicator you want, you can just click on the search option, and that will pop up here. And once you click on that, it will add to your charts. If on the left side you go to this option, you have option of trend line drawing, trend line angle, horizontal line drawing, vertical line drawing, arrows, extended, and a parallel channel which you can draw on your charts whenever required accordingly. And then we also get an option of lot of other options in TradingView, which is pitchfork, Gann square, Fibonacci retracement, and you can accordingly use whichever you want on your charts. So this is TradingView platform, one of the best charting website which is available on the internet, and you should definitely make use of it. Let's now talk about how to do paper trading in TradingView platform. Once you open the technical chart of any stock, you will get a screen like this below the chart. What you have to do now is that you have to click on trading panel. Once you click on trading panel, you will get two options here. One is FXCM and other one is paper trading. Now you have to click on paper trading option, and once you click on paper trading option, you'll get an option to click on continue. Once you continue, you'll get a pop-up like this, in which you have to click on connect. Once you click on connect, your paper trading will be activated in TradingView platform. Now how to place sell and buy orders in paper trading. It is very easy. Once the paper trading account is activated, you will get a balance of 1 lakh rupees in your account, which you can use for equity trading. Okay, you cannot practice this on future, but you can only use this for equity trading, and you'll get an amount of 1 lakh rupees which can be refilled once this is over. So utilize this amount completely to learn and harness your skill of trading. The people who are new, I would suggest them to do at least paper trading 1 to 2 months. Then only you will be confident and successful in your long-term career of trading. And if you ever had any strategy in your mind, you can implement that as well in paper trading to get an idea if it would be profitable in real scenario or not. Once your paper trading account is activated, now you can place buy and sell orders in a virtual way where you won't be losing any real money, and your account of fake money which is given to you by TradingView platform will be used for trading purpose. So now let's use this example of Nasdaq for our learning purpose. And if in case we want to sell this at 8882 price, what we will do is we will just place our cursor here and click on sell, and whichever price you want to sell, you can just enter the price here. I would like to sell this at 8882 price. I will just enter the price. I will here enter the quantity. For example, I want to sell 100 shares of this. I will just click on 100 and click on sell button here. In this way we do paper trading in TradingView platform. It is very easy. As the market is closed now, I was not able to tell you how to place buy and sell signals, but it is very easy. You have to just click on this buy and sell option and the screen will appear on your screen, and you can just tell the quantity and the buy or sell price. Accordingly, a order will be placed. In the similar way, you can close the order also by clicking on the same buy or sell button to close your positions. I would recommend this to all the new traders who are in the beginning stage of their learning to utilize this option, as this is one of the best options anybody can have in their learning process of trading. Thank you for watching this video completely, and if you like this video and want to continue get videos as informative as this one was, please subscribe and like this channel so that you will stay updated whenever I upload a new tutorial video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.